Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's take a quick look here at SUI and see what's going on. We broke below a lot of support levels and just need to presume the price isn't going to recover instantly. Now I'm expecting Bitcoin to do a bit of a relief rally this weekend. And when I say relief rally, just a low volume continuation higher to its local resistance. So if that were to happen, we'll probably see something similar here. We may see 330 as a best case scenario for us and then continue lower. Once more, it's just kind of based on the local point of control. There's a lot of different theories out there, of course, or considerations of what to do, but based on what kind of trader you are, obviously you want to calibrate and adjust to that. Hit the like button, folks, before we get started. Please do that every single time you watch the video. YouTube sucks when it recommends my content, mainly because people don't bother to hit the like button, but they'll comment and say how awesome I am. So I appreciate it either way. Thank you so much. Regardless, we're looking at liquidation here at about 290 to 260. We've talked about this previously. This has been existing for a while. The worst case scenario is roughly a sweep of that 260 level. So maybe consider adding a limit order in that area. I have a few myself in the upper $2 range for SUI, but between now and then, it's hard to say if we're going to hit that level or not. It's more likely based on us being so close to it though. So just keep that in mind. Try not to be super naive here and think that we're just going to instantly bounce and recover because SUI is SUI. It does do well, but the market isn't doing well right now, okay? Israel declaring war on Iran really screwed the market up, right? And these things happen a lot. And unfortunately, it's been like the year of fundamental catalysts. So just kind of how it goes. All right. So liquidation short delta is about $500 million. That's pretty high for this coin. So the truth is there's a lot of shorts that could get squeezed out here soon. Wouldn't be surprised if the price just kind of wicks up and continues a little bit higher, especially if Bitcoin does reclaim the 106 to 107K range. Keep in mind there's a lot of resistance there for Bitcoin. So don't be crazy with longs right now and try to take a long to $4, okay? It's just not practical anymore. Take a long potentially to 320, 330. That's maybe a best case scenario. I don't recommend it either way. Don't trade for 24 to 48 hours after a fundamental catalyst that we just saw. People are just crazy and ridiculous by doing so, and it just perpetuates the nonsensical trading techniques out there. If people are telling you to buy the dip and they're pumping this coin right now or trying to promote it, it's not worthwhile, okay? It sounds like too good to be true, and that's generally how it is. Either way, all moving averages are above the price action, right? So we're gonna have some resistance once we hit this 330 to 350 range. So please don't be naive and just try to take, again, a long to the metaphorical moon. MACD is diverging once more, stochastic swinging down. There's not a single thing here that tells us you should consider a long position, okay? If you do, watch it close, move your stop loss higher as you get into profit. That's a simple way to understand it. 4-hour time frame also reflects the same thing. Point of control here at 330. So I'm just gonna keep it simple here, folks. There's no need to go on in circles here. Everything's bearish. Taking a long right now is too risky. If you do take a long, ensure you take long and secure profits before key level resistances. Right now, 220 to 230 is that area. I'll post a playout chart on our Twitter, Telegram, or Discord to reflect this, but we're not in good shape here. There's no other way around it, all right? So only recommendation right now is adding to your spot bag if this is a coin you want to add to, and possibly setting some limit orders in the 260 to 290 range, because that's where we have a significant amount of support and or liquidation in that range, which is most likely going to be swept here soon if Bitcoin can't successfully remove its head from its ass. Cool. All right, folks. Thanks again for watching. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Take care of yourself out there. Bye-bye.